Hey everybody, welcome to a special Kitchen Conversations.
Good morning.
We have the microphone, we're live here in the kitchen. We have something special to share with you. So we hope you enjoyed your the sixth episode, was it, Mrs.
Yes,
Carr?
yeah.
Earlier today in the broadcast. Hope you enjoy this special 6.5 episode. We'll be right back.
So, we've started selling smoothies again for breakfast. We have strawberry banana and we have mango pineapple. So here's the process. When you come in, grab a cup, okay, hold the cup, turn the knob, and it'll come out like soft serve ice cream.
Pretty fast, huh?
Yes. Here's the lids. Straws are right here. Make sure you grab a straw. And then if you pair it with a donut hole for breakfast, this is $1.50 and it's a complete breakfast. Okay, beginning next week, when the 8th graders are in D.C., sorry 8th grade, we're going to serve smoothies for breakfast and for lunch. So again, you're going to grab your cup, you're going to come over, you're going to hold your cup, turn the knob, and it comes out. See how it looks like soft serve ice cream? It's perfect. Don't forget to grab a lid and a straw. Now, for lunch, these are not included with your lunch. These are a la carte, and they are $2.50 at lunchtime. So I hope you guys enjoy them. I would love to hear your feedback. Let's have Mr. Meta try the smoothies and see which one he likes the best. I know what my favorite is, so we'll see which one he likes.
All right, everybody, we're live here in the study hall. I'm here with Claudia. Hi, Claudia.
Hi.
We're here trying our new smoothie, so I'm going to try. You want to try the mango? Sure. You try the mango. I'm going to try the strawberry banana. What do you think? That's good stuff, right?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
All right, well, Claudia used this straw already, so we're going to go get a new straw. We'll be right back. All right, I'm back here. I got a new straw. I'm going to try this is mango pineapple, so we'll see which one I like better. I like the strawberry banana better. I do. But I'm a pineapple fan, so this isn't bad either. But everywhere you go, strawberry banana it's a winner. In breakfast, you can get these $1.50 with a donut hole, and if you want this a la carte during lunch, it's $2.50. So that's it for Kitchen Conversations. Claudia, say goodbye.
Bye.
All right, we'll see you next week. Well, actually, we'll see you in 2 weeks.